How to transfer money from Cash App to your bank. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This will take you to the home page of the app as you can see. Once you are here, make sure you tap on the profile icon that is found at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, there are many different options, as you can see. Next, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section. After that, tap this option named Linked Banks. Once you do that, this page opens, where you will see a list of cards and banks that are connected to your Cash App account. If you have not connected any like me here, then you will see a similar page to mine. So, to connect your bank, you first have to add your debit card, and after that you are going to see a similar page to this one where you will get an option to link your bank account. So, go ahead and link it by tapping on this option here. This page will then appear. On this page, Cash App is giving you some information on linking your account. You can read this information carefully to get a better understanding. After that, go ahead and tap here, Continue. After that, this page appears where you will see a list of banking institutions you can choose from. So look for a banking institution and then tap on it. You can also tap on the search button here and enter the name of the bank to search for it. Then go ahead and enter the login details to the bank, and just like that, the bank will be linked to a Cash App account. Next, let me now show you how you can transfer the money to your bank account from Cash App. Come back to the home page of the app. After that, tap on the bank icon that appears here at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will be taken to the money section of Cash App, as you can see. After that, tap this option named Withdrawal. Next, this page will appear where you have to decide the amount you would like to withdraw. You can choose it by pulling this slider to choose the amount. Tap here, Cash Out. You will land on this other page here, where you are supposed to choose how long you would like the money to take to reach you. After choosing the option, you will then get a page similar to this one, giving you information about when the money will arrive in your account. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank.